Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily English Lesson, Day 4. This is 24/7 Talk English, and today we're doing one of the best speaking workouts for learners. Easy question and answer practice. Now listen, this is not a normal lesson. This is a speaking experience. You're going to answer questions with me. You're going to repeat sentences, and you're going to practice real English the way real people speak. So wherever you are, walking, sitting, cooking, chilling, just relax your shoulders, take a deep breath, and let's speak some English together. Let's wake up your English voice. Repeat after me. Hello. How are you? I'm doing good. I'm doing great. What's your name? My name is David. Where are you from? I'm from America. Nice. Now let's do a warm-up dialogue. You're the student. I'm the teacher. Teacher, what's your name? You. My name is Alex. Teacher, nice to meet you. You. Nice to meet you too. Good. Your voice is awake. Let's move. Daily questions you must know. I'll ask a question, you pause, and answer out loud. Don't think too much, just speak. What time do you wake up? Possible answers: I wake up at 6. I wake up late. I wake up early. What do you eat for breakfast? I eat eggs. I eat bread. I drink tea. I don't eat breakfast. What do you do in the morning? I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I get ready for work. I study English. How do you go to work or school? I drive. I walk. I go by bus. I go by bike. Who do you live with? I live with my family. I live alone. I live with my parents. Great pace. Your mouth is learning English shapes with every answer. Real-life podcast conversations. Okay, now imagine you and I are having a natural conversation. Not scripted, not robotic, just simple, clean English. Conversation 1, morning routine. What time do you wake up? And what do you do after you wake up? Do you eat breakfast every day? Conversation 2, work or study. Do you work or study? Where do you work or study? Do you enjoy it? Conversation 3, home and family life. Do you live with your family? How many people are in your family? Do you help at home? Conversation 4, hobbies. What do you do in your free time? Do you like movies? What sport do you like? Long sentence fluency trainer.
Repeat slowly. Smooth, calm, confident. Topic: My daily routine. I wake up early in the morning. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and eat breakfast. After that, I go to work. I work hard every day. In the evening, I relax and spend time with my family. Before I go to bed, I watch videos and study English. Again, let the rhythm settle into your mind. Topic: My family. My family is very important to me. I live with my parents and siblings. We eat dinner together every night. We talk, laugh, and share our day. My family always supports me. Nice. You sound smoother already. Fast Q&A speed drill. Get ready. This is rapid fire. Answer fast. What's your name? Where are you from? What do you do? What time do you sleep? What food do you like? Do you like English? Why are you learning English? Do you watch English videos daily? Keep going. Don't stop. Speed builds fluency.
Confidence booster. Repeat. I can speak English. I'm getting better every day. I'm confident. My English is improving. I will speak fluently soon. Feel that? That's progress. And that's it for Day 4 of Daily English Lessons. You practiced questions, answers, real conversations. And you spoke more English today than most people speak in a week. If you enjoyed this lesson, hit like, subscribe to 24/7 Talk English, and come back tomorrow for Day 5. Until then, keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep growing.